Hi, little learners. Today we're going to count from number 6 to number 10. Let's fly with the kites. Are you ready?
6. Look up high. Here comes kite number 6.
S-I-X. 6. It's flying in the sky. 7. Whoosh. That's kite number 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. It's dancing in the wind. 8. Zooming past the clouds. Here comes kite number 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. It's shining. 9. Spin and twirl. Kite number 9 is here. N-I-N-E. 9. It's glowing. 10. Wow, look, the sky is full now. Kites flying all together. T-E-N. 10. This one is rainbow. You did it! Let's count them one more time. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Amazing work, little stars! See you in the next fun video.